Texas law designed to keep sexually explicit books out of public school libraries is back in federal court. Thanks for joining us. I'm Daniel Marin. Britt is on assignment. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans heard arguments this morning in the state's appeal to reinstate the law, which was previously put on pause by a lower federal court. Our Monica Madden has the arguments in and outside of the courtroom.
Censorship of certain books in court Wednesday.
Reader is not a book ban. Texas's new law simply protects parents' rights to decide what materials their children will read.
This is about a prohibition at this moment in time against selling any books to Texas schools.
The state of Texas asking a federal appeals court to lift a ban on HB 900, also known as the Reader Act.
We're talking about books that they know are radically explicit, that they desire to put in the hands of children.
The law requires booksellers to rate every book before it is sold to a public school, specifically identifying sexually explicit content. BookPeople, the state's largest independent bookstore, is leading the lawsuit.
This is not our specialty. This is not what we do. What we do is we sell books. We're really just a middleman.
Its CEO says that it's a high burden for booksellers to read each and every book to make subjective determinations.
Really don't see a way for any of us to be able to comply with this law as written, not to mention just the amount of time it takes to read a book to be able to rate it.
Appellate judges not signaling how they may rule in this clash over free speech.
We appreciate counsel for both sides for the argument, and the case is submitted.
Monica Madden, KXAN News.
And the law also requires parents to give written consent to schools if their child wants to read a book that was rated sexually relevant. Now again, the Reader Act is currently non-enforceable pending the court's decision. Going in depth, a report by the American Library Association found a surge in book restrictions between January and August. The association's Office for Intellectual Freedom reported nearly 700 challenges to library materials or services. The group says most were books written by or about a person of color or a member of the LGBTQ+ community. Now, this is something we looked into as part of our investigative series, Outlaw. This year, a fifth of the country's state-level bills impacting the LGBTQ+ community were filed in Texas. That's according to a Human Rights Campaign analysis. Equality Texas tracked a record 141 such bills this year. That's up from just 12 in 2015. You can find our in-depth, fair, rigorous, and balanced reporting taking a look at what this trend could mean for the state's future right now on KXAN.com.